Hi Emma, here is the video for you on the hail of the vehicle and the windshield. Making our way right over here, you can see the windshield is in amazing condition. There's nothing on it. It honestly looks brand new to me over here. Over here you can see there is the hail on the hood of the vehicle. Over here on this side panel, there is no hail, just one little ding. Disappeared from my eye over here. Sorry. One little ding. Never mind, I guess I might have missed it. Oh, sorry. Right over up here. Over here, no hail as well. On the roof of the vehicle, there is hail. Making our way to the backside. Nothing on it. No dents on the vehicle here. Making our way to this side, we have a few little spots right over here and here. And just right here as well, and then a little bit of the trim over here. Absolutely nothing over here, and nothing on the front as well. The main part of the hail is just the hood, the top, and a little bit of this backside. Other than that, amazing condition. Windshield is basically brand new. Thank you. Bye.